Hello, and welcome to an IBM Automation Blueworks Live demonstration. Let's learn how to enhance and playback a business process. We start by opening a process diagram we previously modeled. For more on modeling, see additional videos linked below in the description. To enhance this diagram, we can add color coding, which is useful in a number of situations. We'll use the colors to indicate the type of activities and where in an organization they are run. Green for front office, blue for automated decisions, and yellow for back office work. You choose your own configurable notations. We can also reorganize the diagram from the automatic layout to make it smaller from left to right or top to bottom, or even organizing decisions above activities as another option. We do this by dragging an artifact next to another one until the line appears and then let it go. Simple. We can also move labels or even select multiple artifacts on the diagram and right-click to pin them in place. Very flexible. Decision diamonds or gateways can have many different flows exit from them. Here we see there are two and we can add a third one. But if we insert another flow at this gateway, the diagram may start to be difficult to read. We can organize this very easily using the Align Parallel Flows option. Okay, let's go ahead and remove all that extra flow work. The undo works great for any number of edits in the system. This time we want to add some more activities, and as the diagram gets larger, we might want to use a subprocess to keep the granularity consistent. As we add our review step in an additional swim lane below, these two yellow back-office tasks could be combined by selecting them both using a standard command or control and then click to select them. Then convert them to a subprocess. This can then be collapsed to make the diagram easier to read. Another option is to take a subprocess and convert it to a linked process. The linked process is then reusable across multiple different diagrams within our overall account. And we have the traceability at the top back to our parent process, so we know where we're using it and how often it's being used. Now let's play back our process. This allows us to come together as a team and specify our playbacks or different flows through the process and review them in real time to get feedback, all built into Blueworks Live. We see there's already one playback we had previously defined for those not eligible. Let's create a new playback named Approved and give it a description. We can also select any number of properties to display and total across the diagram as we run the playback. We'll use work and wait time. We then start to select the playback flow by clicking through the process diagram. When we reach the linked process, we can choose to move past it at this level or have our playback dive down a level. We quickly click the start and end to select the entire subflow, and then we can come back to the parent to finish our approved playback flow. All right, it's time to hit play. We see the metadata on the right, and the selected work and wait times increase at the bottom as we move through the playback. As a group, we see a problem and immediately add a comment to remind us in real time. We dive into the linked process and back to the parent process, all while totaling our work and wait time at the bottom based on each activity in our playback. We finish our playback session by either sharing a link to any Blueworks Live users or exporting our flows as Word documents for review outside of Blueworks Live, allowing deeper analysis and comparison across playback flows. Here, we see the cycle time for the not eligible flow is a little over 1 day. When we bring up the approved flow, we can even see our comments as native Word comments. From this playback, we see a much longer cycle time. Does the business expect such a big disparity? Now we know to check. In summary, the benefits of business modeling in IBM Blueworks Live include an increase in collaboration with immediate feedback and easy-to-use comments, end-to-end process modeling with configurable colors and diagrams, and analysis and playback using powerful tools for analysts. See how to take your process modeling to the next level. Check out this video or head to some of the links in the description below. Thank you for watching the demo.